Happy Saturday. It's me, Vicky. How are you guys? Oh my God, today is 80 something degrees. I am so excited because it's really nice out. So I decided to wear this beautiful sundress, maxi dress. And what I did was manipulate the front a little bit because it's a halter dress that was just straight and kind of boring to me. So I have a tendency of taking my dresses and just adding a little design in the front to make it look, cute. So anyway, this is a halter dress. So the problem that I had today is I had to take my son to baseball practice, and as I'm standing there, it just kept like trying to come down. I'm like, oh no, I don't want any of these babies out, and it was very uncomfortable. I had to keep going like this and like this because these are heavy. I have big breasts, so that's the problem. So with that being said, so I decided that let me just make it into a halter dress, do something different and make it into a halter dress instead. So I decided to take an old shoestring, as you can see. So you can use anything to recycle your home, your clothing, your hair, whatever it is you can do to manipulate whatever it is that you have instead of going to buy stuff. So anyway, this is old shoelace, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is take the shoelace and I'm going to add it in the front. I could easily cut it into two and make it into spaghetti straps instead, but I prefer a halter top. So I'm going to do it like this, bring it around the neck, and bam, there goes my blouse. But let me show you guys how I do that really quick, and I will come back on and show you guys what it looks like. So this is before, how it looks. You see, before. Okay, cute. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So this is the dress. Now, as you can see, I added a design here like I mentioned and just previously. And what I'm going to do, what you need is basically thread and a needle. Of course you need the the shoestring that I was showing you. You see, thought I was kidding. Here we go. And scissors. That's it. Very simple. Now you see, this is so convenient. This is called the mending kit, where it has all the needles and thread that you need. It has a safety pin and it has some buttons. This is something that you should always carry in case you have a little accident with your clothing. You have this in your pocketbook and you could just sew it really quick. Okay, so with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to make sure that these are even. Okay, evened out. We are going to attach it. We're going to put it like right in the bottom here, like right there. Right there. Okay, make sure that I have it right. Okay, I think the string is pretty long. Oops, this weird stain. Okay, whatever. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to start sewing it right there. So let's get started. You don't have to use a sewing machine. You could just do it manually, and boom, this is how you do it. And let's get started. So this is how you do that. Go back. Try not to stab your fingers. guys, so now this dress is a lot better because it fits me better. I don't have to worry about it falling down because of the issue that I was telling you that I was having. So this is how it turned out. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. Look at my tattoo, you're not gonna show it off. Okay, so this is what the back looks like. So this is so much better. Okay, so much better. So ladies, you do not have to go and buy a different dress. All you have to do is revamp your dresses, revamp everything, and you can recycle and do anything that you want to make it better. So I have a lot more halter dresses like this, and I'm definitely going to do something about that. And I know that I'm going to have the same type of issue with it coming down. So halter dresses is not for me because of that issue. Heavy, and I have like, they're pretty, my breasts are big. So so this is the best way to go. Just add a little something, and it's very secured. It's not going anywhere. So this is what you have to do. So now I'm going to go out. I'm going outside now so you guys could get a look of the entire dress, and I want to show you guys my sandals, the entire look. I also have these earrings right here that I'm wearing. These are silver hoops that I did a video that I will attach on the link showing you guys how I added bling to it. Okay, so I'm wearing it today and it goes good with what I have on, and my sandals have it too. So I'm going to show you guys. Let me just show you guys a close-up look of my sandals right now. Okay, so this is the sandals that I'm wearing today. These are cute little comfortable flats, and they're really cute. Look at that. It has the bling bling in the front, as you can see. Let me just get you guys a close-up look of the bling. Look how cute is that. And these are real comfortable, perfect to wear with this dress, and a pair of heels would be nice too.